I'm Ciara, founder and CEO of the Bunker Insurance and Risk Management, and welcome to our series for electrical contractors and everything you need to know about bonds. Did you know that getting the right bond could be the game changer that your business needs? Whether you're working on large government contracts or commercial business in your backyard, bonds is what can help take your business to the next level. Let's face it, your clients need reassurance that you can handle their projects, and bonds provide just that. These financial guarantees protect everyone involved in the project by ensuring that you fulfill your contractual obligations. Imagine bidding on a dream project and losing it only because you were not bonded. That's why knowing and understanding how bonds can affect your business is critical for any electrical contractor that is serious about growing their business. In this series, we're going to go over all things having to do with bonds, from bid bonds that help you land those projects to performance bonds that ensure a successful completion. And we're even going to go over letters of bondability that give you a competitive edge even before starting the bidding process. So whether you're new to bonding or looking to expand your bond capacity, you're in the right place. Let's get started. What exactly is a bond? Simply put, it's a financial guarantee that ensures everyone's interests are protected in the project. Yours, your clients, and your suppliers. Now, there are three types of bonds that you'll need to get familiar with as an electrical contractor. Number one is bid bonds. These show that you are serious about your bid. For example, if you bid $500,000 on a project but decide not to follow through, a bid bond protects the project owner from financial loss. It gives clients peace of mind that you'll honor your commitment. Number two is performance bonds. These guarantee that you will complete the project as agreed. If something were to go wrong, whether it's a financial issue, delays, or other complications, the performance bond makes sure that the project owner is compensated. Lastly, number three is payment bonds. These bonds ensure that your subcontractors and your suppliers get paid. If a payment issue were to arise, this is the bond that would step in and make sure they're paid. Why do all of these bonds matter? Well, think of these bonds as a professional safety net for your business. They're not just requirements for most projects, but they also build trust within your clients and help set you apart from your competitors that may not be prepared. By mastering the basics of bonds, you're already one step ahead of your competition. Stay tuned for more information on the bond qualification process, how to prepare for a bid bond, how to prepare for a performance bond, letters of bondability, and much, much more. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more information on how the bunker can help move you from danger to a safe place.